Hello, HSD colleagues. This is a brief introduction to the Community Schools model. My name is Sonia Rojas, and I'm very excited to serve as the coordinator of community schools and community engagement here at Hawthorne School District. And now, let's talk about community schools. Community schools create conditions for students and families to thrive. The community school strategy is a whole child evidence-based school improvement model to promote equity and educational excellence for each and every child. The community schools model allows us to study our school, culture, and community to identify our existing partners, maximize and enhance our resources and services by conducting a needs assessment, hearing from students, families, staff, classified and certificated, and partnering with community-based organizations. Let's watch a brief video illustrating what a community school does.
What makes a school a great school? Caring for the whole child, expanding the horizons of learning, building relationships with families, working together to realize a shared vision. This is the school every student needs. This is a community school. Community schools are public schools that partner with stakeholders to create the conditions students need to thrive. Community schools can be found across the United States, and their numbers are growing fast. But what exactly makes a school a community school? They integrate student supports. Clinics, counselors, and other services ensure each and every student is ready to learn. They expand and enrich learning. Extended school days, summer programs, and real-world experiences help students reach their full potential. They engage families and communities. Partnering with residents to identify and meet community needs makes everyone feel safe, welcome, and involved in school. They lead in collaboration. Inclusive decision-making and peer learning builds trust among students, educators, families, and communities. When a school stands on these 4 pillars, it's a community school. Research supports this 4-pillar approach, but there's no one-size-fits-all model. Every community school is different because each community is different. Figuring out what it looks like in your community starts by getting actual community members involved. That's the full-time job of community school coordinators. They're the human bridge connecting all the partners and stakeholders that make community schools possible. So that's what makes a school a community school. Now, how do you pay for it? Startup costs like hiring a full-time coordinator can be raised from foundations or state and local governments. Tapping into existing funding and partnering with local businesses can bring in service providers. Sharing resources and staff with partners can help everyone do more. And as a community school becomes more established, leaders can advocate for budgets that sustain their impact and new funding to expand it. Every community school is different. What will yours be like?
The expected outcomes align perfectly with our Hawthorne School District mission, vision, and LCAP goals. Increased academic performance because we all want to see our students excel and succeed. Improved school climate. This means less disruptions and more learning. Decrease chronic absenteeism. We want to see our students in school on time and ready to learn. Increased family engagement means more support. And reduce LLRs, ODRs, suspensions, and expulsions. Community schools are rooted on these 4 pillars: integrated support services, expanded learning time and opportunities, family and community engagement, and the last pillar is collaborative leadership and practices. Community schools will allow us to expand and enhance the integrated support services. This pillar addresses the out-of-school barriers to learning through partnerships with social and health services agencies. The goal is to serve those resources and services to meet the needs of our students and families. Expanded learning time and opportunities. This is the before, after school, weekend, and summer programs to provide additional academic instruction and support, enrichment activities, and opportunities for real world learning. This pillar increases student learning and success in life by allowing students to explore different fields and prepare for college, career, and life. Family and community engagement to bring families into schools as educational partners and make school a neighborhood hub for learning, to have authentic engagement with our families and community to ensure they are all involved and their voices are heard. Collaborative leadership and practices to build a culture of professional learning, collective trust, and shared responsibility. All educational partners have a role to play. It is a whole school, whole community approach. The goal is to make sure all of these pillars are integrated in a way where we are addressing academic, health, and social services while engaging the community and meeting the 3 goals that were selected based on your school's need. We are in the process of building our community schools team, and you will get to meet your community school TOSA and community liaison very soon. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a better understanding of the transformative power community schools have. Looking forward to collaborating with all of you to create conditions for students and families to thrive.